If you're new to the channel, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of my videos.
When I die,
that's what I wasn't killing myself. Shit. Fuck, if I was dead, I wouldn't have to worry about nothing. I could just lay up.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now we're going to the shop. Today it's Tuesday. When we took out the block of the Cadillac, we took it to the machine shop and they polished it. It was kind of scraped, damaged a little. They polished it, did all the machine work and spray painting. The block looks new. We picked it up. Right now the cam, stage 2 comp cam is in, and we put the crank already. Today, I'm going to, well, me and my friend, we're going to put it in the car today. That's the plan for today. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I'm sorry for all the pain that I caused. A lot of L's that it took, but I can't fall. I made a promise to myself, I gotta walk.
Guys, so we're at the shop. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a transmission on this 2500 Silverado. But yeah, that's that. Stay tuned. Well, guys, so right here, the cam is in, the crank was in the last video. If y'all haven't seen it, go watch it. The crank and the cam was in. The engine is really looking almost done. I was working, me and my friend, this past days. We put the heads already, and that's about it. The front cover, it's right here. So we put the oil tap on, the cover on, the heads are in, spark plugs, and the rear cover. The rear seat is in, sensor set in, so, and the Sierra, the engine is in. We already turned it in. Just wait for that video. I'm gonna upload it soon. But everything's looking good. Car is really dirty. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And share it. Other than that, let's get on.
Тільки ми не віримо. Вони закрили свої двері пізно. Хто тебе врятує, чи сховатись ліжком? Ніхто не почує, спи собі спокійно. Страх очі твої
I barely finished the LSA right now. It's 8:40 at night, and we're gonna crank it up. So yeah, right now I just got left. I just gotta put the intake that's left.